In this video, I am going to show you how to add an additional YouTube channel to VidIQ. Start by accessing your VidIQ account. You can find the link in the video's description. If you don't have one, you'll need to sign up. Once logged in, go to the VidIQ welcome page by entering app.vidiq.com/welcome in your browser's address or navigating through the VidIQ dashboard. Click Add Channel. On the home page, look for the click on the Add Channel button. This action is designed to start the process of integrating a new YouTube channel to your VidIQ. You'll be prompted to sign in to the Google account associated with the YouTube channel you wish to add. Ensure you choose the correct Google account. After signing in, you'll be presented with a list of the YouTube channels associated with your Google account. Select the channel you intend to add to your VidIQ account. To complete the process, click the Allow button to grant VidIQ access to your YouTube channel. This permission enables VidIQ to analyze your channel's data and provide insights and recommendations. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.